Good morning. Happy Friday. This is Miss Neville with your Friday check-in. I wanted to spend most of our time today talking about how we can check our grades to see what assignments we're missing. I also wanted to make sure you knew that your Power School grade may be much lower than your Schoology grade because I went ahead and put in zeros for any assignment that you're missing. So how do you figure out what assignments you have missing? You can do this same process for math, social studies, or ELA as well. I'm going to click on my course in Schoology. I'm going to click grades on the left side. And then any assignment that has a dash beside it, I'm going to, that means it needs to be made up. That means it's missing. Miss Neville does not have a copy of it. I hope this helps. Please contact me by phone, remind, or email. Have a great day.